When you're looking for an oil-filled radiator heater, you're not just buying warmth. You're investing in comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind during cold days and nights. The right heater can completely change how your space feels, especially when temperatures drop and you need something reliable that works quietly in the background. Starting off strong, one model that really stands out is the DeLonghi Dragon Digital. This heater is built with a very thoughtful design that focuses on both performance and ease of use. One of the first things that stands out is the digital control panel with an LED display. It makes adjusting the temperature, setting timers, and switching modes incredibly simple and intuitive, even if you're using it for the first time. What really sets this model apart is its enhanced radiant surface area. Compared to standard radiator heaters, it offers significantly more surface space, which helps transfer heat more efficiently into your room. Instead of feeling warmth in just one spot, you get a more even, consistent heating experience across the entire space. Another major advantage is how it handles air quality. Since this is an oil-filled radiator without a fan, it produces gentle, natural heat without blowing air around. That means no dust, no allergens circulating, and no overly dry air, making it a great choice if you want a more comfortable breathing environment. It also features an ECO Plus function that automatically adjusts power usage based on the room temperature. This helps you stay warm while keeping energy consumption under control. Add in safety features like a child lock, thermal shutoff, and anti-freeze protection, and you're getting a heater that's built for everyday reliability. And when it comes to convenience, the integrated handles and pre-assembled wheels make it easy to move from one room to another without any hassle. Now, if you're looking for something more flexible and budget-friendly, the Pelonis Oil Filled Radiator is definitely worth considering. This heater is designed to deliver full room warmth using 360-degree heat circulation. It spreads heat evenly and warms up your space relatively quickly, which is ideal if you don't want to wait too long for comfort. It comes with 3 heating modes and 5 temperature settings, giving you more control over how warm you want your room to be. Whether you want a gentle background warmth or something stronger on colder days, you can easily adjust it to your preference. One feature that really adds convenience here is the remote control. You can change settings, adjust temperature, or set the timer without getting up, which makes a big difference, especially during cold nights or when you're already comfortable. There's also an ECO mode that automatically adjusts heating output based on real-time temperature, so you're not using more power than necessary, which can help reduce energy costs over time. Like most oil-filled radiators, it operates quietly without a fan, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any space where noise can be distracting. And in terms of safety, it includes overheat protection and a tip-over switch, giving you peace of mind during use. Moving on, if you prefer a more modern and compact design, the Comfort Zone 1500W digital heater offers a different approach. This model features a slim tower design that fits easily into smaller spaces without feeling bulky. It's a great option if you want something that blends into your room while still delivering solid performance. One of its key features is wide oscillation, which helps distribute heat more evenly across the room. Instead of focusing heat in one direction, it actively spreads warmth, reducing cold spots and improving overall comfort. The large digital display makes it easy to monitor settings, even in low light, and the remote control allows you to make adjustments from anywhere in the room. You can also program heating cycles, which is useful if you want the heater to match your daily routine while saving energy. Performance-wise, it's well suited for medium-sized rooms like bedrooms, offices, or small living areas. And it includes essential safety features, such as overheat protection, a tip-over switch, and a stay-cool exterior for added safety. If you're leaning toward a more traditional oil-filled radiator but want strong performance, the ARLIME 1500W radiator is another solid option. This heater is capable of warming spaces up to around 250 square feet, which gives it an edge if you need coverage for a slightly larger room. It comes with 3 adjustable heating modes, allowing you to balance between energy efficiency and maximum warmth. One of the highlights here is its intelligent energy-saving system. The heater automatically turns on and off based on the room temperature, helping maintain a consistent level of comfort without running constantly. It also operates very quietly, thanks to its oil-based heating system. That makes it ideal for sleeping, working, or any situation where you want warmth without background noise. Safety is well covered too, with features like overheating protection and a tip-over shutoff system. And for portability, it includes caster wheels and a built-in handle, making it easy to move wherever you need it. Now, if you're dealing with a larger space and need more heating power, the Dr. Infrared Heater Portable is a very compelling choice. This unit uses a dual heating system that combines infrared quartz tubes with PTC technology. In simple terms, that means it can produce more heat compared to standard heaters, making it suitable for larger areas. It's designed to cover spaces up to around 576 square feet, which is significantly more than most heaters in this category. So if you have a large living room or open space, this model has the capacity to handle it. Even with that power, it remains energy efficient. The auto energy saving mode helps regulate usage, while the electronic thermostat allows you to fine-tune the temperature to your liking. It also maintains a relatively low noise level, which is impressive given its performance. And with features like a remote control, 12-hour timer, and caster wheels, it's both practical and easy to use. Safety features like tip-over protection and overheat shutoff are included as well, making it a reliable option for indoor use. If you're looking for something compact and stylish, especially for smaller spaces or desks, the Lasko Ellipse Ceramic Tabletop Heater offers a different kind of solution. This heater stands out with its sleek, modern design and compact size. It fits easily on a desk or tabletop, making it ideal for personal use in bedrooms, offices, or kitchens. Despite its size, it delivers strong performance with 120-degree heat distribution, helping spread warmth more evenly across the room. It's a great option if you want targeted heating without taking up too much space. It also features an auto eco mode, which adjusts heating output to maintain comfort while saving energy. The touch controls, digital display, and multifunction remote make it easy to operate, and it runs quietly at under 40 decibels. On top of that, it includes multiple safety features like a tip-over sensor, child lock, and overheat protection, so you can use it with confidence. Finally, if portability and simplicity are your top priorities, the GiveBest Portable Electric Heater is a practical choice. This compact heater offers a two-in-one function, meaning it can work as both a heater and a fan. That makes it useful year-round, not just during winter. It uses PTC heating technology to provide fast warmth in small to medium-sized spaces, like bedrooms, offices, or bathrooms. And with automatic thermostat control, it maintains a steady temperature without constant adjustment. It operates quietly at under 45 decibels, making it suitable for sleeping or working environments. Safety features like overheat protection, tip-over shutoff, and flame-resistant materials ensure reliable performance. Its lightweight design and built-in handle make it incredibly easy to move, so you can use it exactly where you need it without heating unnecessary areas. Now, when you look at all 7 of these heaters together, the best choice really depends on your specific needs. If you want premium quality with balanced performance, the DeLonghi Dragon Digital is a strong all-around option. If you prefer more control and convenience at a reasonable price, the Pelonis model offers great flexibility. For modern, space-saving designs, the Comfort Zone and Lasko heaters are excellent choices. If you need to heat a larger space, the Dr. Infrared Heater clearly stands out. And for simple, portable heating, the GiveBest model gets the job done efficiently. At the end of the day, the right heater isn't just about power, it's about how well it fits your space, your lifestyle, and your comfort preferences. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more research-based product comparisons that help you make smarter buying decisions. I'll see you in the next one.